Hello guys, welcome back to the course. In this video we are going to discuss about REST API. REST stands for Representational State Transfer and API stands for Application Programmable Interface. We are going to develop API based on the REST architectural pattern. Why REST is more popular nowadays? In a simple manner, when a client sends request to the server sends its state as a response. Server's response either could be in a JSON format or in an XML format. We do have a lot of HTTP methods we are going to discuss about in an upcoming slide. What are HTTP methods? As you know that HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. REST API works on HTTP protocol. Here is the most frequently using HTTP methods in REST API. Let's start with get HTTP method. When a request sent with HTTP method get, it means that we are going to fetch some data from the server. When a server get the request of HTTP get method, server responds its state back. If it is a post, then we are going to send some data in our request body. The server read those data and put it to the server. Difference between post and put is nothing but when we send a post request, it means that we are going to add some data. If it is a put request, it means that we are going to update the data. Post request will send only in the case of adding new data or inserting a new record. Put will send data based on the existing data. It means that we are going to update the existing record. Delete means that delete. You are going to send a request which actually delete the state of the server. How can I access the API? When an API is being developed, we need to host somewhere in the web server. So once the API is being hosted in any of the web server, we can use the hosted API based on the endpoints. What does that endpoint mean and how it actually looks like? Endpoint means that the URL, nothing but the URL. Through this URL, I'm going to access a API. As I previously said, REST API based on HTTP protocol. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. This is the server name where the API is being hosted, and this is the port number where I could able to access the hosted API, and this is the path through which I could able to access the weather data. Since it is a GET request, I have used this as a get weather. This is just a naming convention. This is how the endpoints looks like. Let's meet you on the another video.